kid-friendly TV.
Hey guys, today we're playing with Grandpa Pigs Train from Peppa Pig. This looks like so much fun and I'm really excited to play with this today. There's Grandpa Pig and George Pig. Let's go ahead and get them out of the box so we can play. Here is Grandpa Pig. He's wearing all blue. He has a whistle around his neck and a hat on. You can move his arms and turn his head from side to side, and he can sit down. And here's George Pig. He is really cute. He's also wearing blue and he has a train on his shirt. His arms move too, and his head, and he can sit down as well. Look at Gertrude. This is Grandpa Pig's train. It is really neat. It has wheels that can move, so it can move back and forth. And it has 3 cars. There's 1, 2, 3. 3 cars. The train also has a lever right here that can bend. Let's put Grandpa Pig in the driver's seat and put George in the yellow car. If we push down on Grandpa Pig's seat, it makes all kinds of noises.
Gertrude is the very best train in the whole world.
Ho-ho! Hop aboard! Full steam ahead!
That is awesome. Those are some really neat sounds and songs. Faster, faster! Wow, look at Grandpa Pig drive the train. I love Grandpa Pig's train. It is so cool, and I love all the sounds and noises that it makes. I also love that it comes with Grandpa Pig and little George. It is so neat and a lot of fun to play with. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more daily fun toy videos. Where is Daddy? He is bringing us a special secret surprise. There he is. What is that?